Welcome back, folks. I am Jon Najarian, and this is 3 at 3. Every business day, we bring you unusual option activity that we think you should be aware of, and then you have to decide how to trade it. I'll tell you what I'm doing, and even try to describe some of the pitfalls that anybody who buys calls or puts could face, those being primarily time decay and or just directionally that you're wrong. But outside of that, we pretty much just offer the information and you decide what to do with it. So let's get started with today's unusual option activity. This is from a couple days ago, I guess Friday. Pete and I were down in Florida with that live trading webinar, and we were talking about AbbVie, and the stock continues to work today. I told you, gave you a little bit of an update yesterday. Well, today it's still working. Stock was 125.58 on Friday. There it is against the S&P 500 pharmaceutical ETF and against the S&P 500. Against the pharmaceutical ETF, look at that, it's 5x the pharmaceutical ETF. So pretty much a straight outperformer. AbbVie, and it's up again today through 127.80 or so. And if you are looking to put something in your friend's stocking, whether it's your significant other, grandkid, whatever it might be, why not consider unusual option activity? Because if you choose to give them unusual option activity, they get weekly trade ideas, they get live webinars, they get a trading community that is second to none. You can dial us up, 888-809-8058. That's 888-809-8058, or call Market Rebellion. Market Rebellion, you can just click on it actually, marketrebellion.com/UOA live. Because if you get any of the 3 products offered there, you automatically get these 3 at 3s live versus getting them after the market closes. Just a little thought in case you're looking to be Santa Claus for somebody this year. All right, first today, Kraft Heinz, KHC. Kraft Heinz, they're buying the January 36 calls. Pete talked about it on the halftime report. How big were they buying? Well, let's see, 10,500 of those January 36 calls. They also bought December 23rd, 35 calls. So they've been active in this name today. You know Kraft Heinz, and you know that Warren Buffett is one of the owners here. So stocks, stock's not 1836, John. Let me see, sorry about that. KHC is, let's see, 34.91. Apologize for that. I was going to say, as soon as I saw that come up, I go, well, then why did I buy those calls? Stock is 34.91 as we speak, and they're buying the January 36 calls just about $1.10 out of the money. Let's talk about Uber. Pete mentioned December 38 calls. Very large spike in volume versus normal. As you see, the volume has been building here. Notice yesterday it was also pretty robust, and today it's much more so even than that. They were buying December 37 and 38 calls, and I want to show you even what they were doing yesterday, because yesterday when the stock was $2 cheaper than where it is now, they were buying the 35.47. I'm sorry, they were buying the December 36 calls. So now they've moved up, they're buying more, and the stock has already rewarded them pretty nicely by making a $2 move in the face of a what? 2% NASDAQ sell-off. Dow is down 0.4%, and the S&P down 1.1%. Uber doing pretty well. Now let's hit Beyond Meat. I spoke of it in my morning workout, the 60-second video, and we mentioned that McDonald's is rumored to be offering Beyond Meat burgers as early as first quarter of next year. Most of that's speculation, but nonetheless, possibility. I've tried the Beyond Meat burgers and they're not bad. I've had Impossible, and that's not bad either. I've had some that taste like dirt. So luckily, these don't taste like dirt. And if these calls rise considerably in value, if we are looking more like a $70 or $71 Beyond Meat in December, that's this Friday, folks, then it will definitely not be dirt. So thank you very much. Those December 68 calls are moving deeper and deeper in the money throughout our trading day. Let me see. As of just moments ago, it was trading, still right just shy of 69. Bang. If you've got questions, please shoot them into us. Our team will grab them off of Twitter. By the way, that Beyond Meat is up 7.7 or 7+ percent to so far today. You can send me questions. Jon Najarian is the handle, at JONNAJARIAN. First question comes from Thomas, and it's apparently his burner phone, and not Bernie's Mountain Dog. His handle is at Burner, BURNER, SOWELLS. And he says, URA, which is a uranium play, at the 200-day simple moving average, ripe for a reversal. I happen to agree with Thomas, especially with green narrative. Yep. Looking at the March 18th, 24 calls. Thoughts? I like it. March 18th is the expiration he's speaking of there, folks, the regular March 3rd Friday, and 24 strike calls. I think the stock was 30 within the last month. It has come down somewhat dramatically, as had many of the uranium stocks I know, because I owned a bunch of them. I owned this one. I owned, I owned that other big one, CCJ. I think it's Camco, CCJ. Owned that one as well. They made fabulous returns, and then as soon as they fell, we exited. I wouldn't mind getting back in at the levels Thomas is talking about here. So thank you, Thomas. RVLV, Revolve. This comes from Anthony. AB Man, 5400. Can I get some info and input on Revolve? Retail has been down for the past month. Yeah, and this one's been down too. Not all retail, but nonetheless, this one in particular, basically online. Revolve, I have been in it, Anthony. I am not in it presently, but I should take another look, because one of my favorite trades is buying Labor Day and selling into Black Friday, or if you want to hold it until Christmas, fine. My next favorite trade in that retail space is finding what didn't work and then picking up some of those broken stocks. And this one's definitely in that category. So that's my opinion, Anthony. Lastly, little humor here. A guy is talking to a bear apparently on his back deck, and the bear says, "You seem very complacent, sir." He said, "The Fed's got my back." Well, we'll see. Tomorrow, I think that's the nervousness of today, wondering exactly how much of our back the Fed does have. So with that said, check out marketrebellion.com/get started. You could also use this as a stocking stuffer. Marketrebellion.com/get started. If you've got a significant other that would like to learn about derivatives, if you would like to learn about derivatives, give yourself a present. We have tutorials there, online distance learning for stock, options, futures, and cryptocurrency. You can check it all out at marketrebellion.com/get started. Thank you, folks, for being with me today. I hope you have a great day. I hope you're making money. And I will be back with you tomorrow from New York City. Bang.